To enable Bluetooth sync to automatically sync Bluetooth info to Samsung Cloud in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap connection and then tap Bluetooth. Next, tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right and then select advanced setting. Now tap the gray on off switch next to sync with Samsung Cloud until the switch turns blue to turn it on. When this option is on, your phone will save your paired Bluetooth devices information to Samsung Cloud so that you can sync and get paired with those devices when you sign in with your Samsung account in another Samsung devices. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.